Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, we are driving to Mussafah. This area is 30 minutes drive from Khalifa City A. Mussafah is known for two things. One is this is the final road test exam for the new drivers. Second, this is the location for the auto repair shops. So guys, today we are heading to the repair shop that is referred by a friend. So let's check it out. So guys, we are almost there. The location is kind of hidden, but yeah. So my car issue is that my two front windows are not moving up or down. So guys, welcome to Madar Auto Repair Workshop. So guys, this is my car and this is the location of the workshop. There's a lot of cars that being repaired in here. So come and visit their workshop. So this is the two welcoming and smart technicians that checking my car window. So guys, the technician's checking the window and they need to see if the motor is working or not. It will take a while, so we decided to go and we will just come back tomorrow when the car is ready.
Contact cleaner.
Yeah.
For the electric.
Yeah.
Just put like that.
Well, that's very nice of you, to be honest, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Thanks a lot.
Ano ang name nito, kuya?
Madar.
Madar.
Auto repair workshop.
Tas more on ano kayo, different kinds of repair, oil change, mga ganyan. Ano pong mga repair? Mga air condition, ganyan.
Electrical, mechanical.
Electrical. Computer.
I was like, oh, great, how much was it? And she said, one. And I was like, 1,000? I was like, that's good.
Because
She's like, 100. I was like, what? I just assumed you were going to replace the motors. Because I replaced the switch myself. Like, I wasn't sure if I just ordered the new switch and put that in. And that wasn't it. So I was like, well, it's got to be the motors.
Yeah. So guys, they are very good and very honest. They can just say that they replaced the motor, but they're very honest to say that it just needs some cleaning. So we only paid 100 dirhams for it. So guys, please come and visit their workshop. Very recommended. So that's it for today, guys. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you again on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.